What is the fuel ratio of aircraft when initial and final weight are 3,85,560 kilograms and 15,560 kilograms? A. 34.78. B. 24.78. C. 56.76. D. 45.65. The correct answer is 24.78. Which of the following is not the additional assumption taken in the derivation of the equations of motion? A. Gross thrust acts in aircraft body axis. B. Thrust component is small compared to lift component. C. Aircraft is in symmetric flight. D. Rate of change of mass is neglected. The correct answer is aircraft is in symmetric flight. What is the basic assumption taken in formulating equations of motion? A. All the engines will operate at equal gross thrust. B. All the engines do not operate at equal gross thrust. C. All the engines will operate at equal gross drag. D. All the engines do not operate at equal gross drag. The correct answer is all the engines will operate at equal gross thrust. Which of the following is a correct equation? A. Fa Fp Fg Fl. B. Fa Fp Fg Fl. C. Fa Fp Fg Fl. D. Fa Fp Fg Fl. The correct answer is Fa Fp Fg Fl. The total thrust force assumed in the derivation of equations of motion is A. Fn T cos dm. B. Fn T cos dm. C. T cos dm Fn. D. dm T cos Fn. The correct answer is Fn T cos dm. What is meant by fuel ratio? A. Ratio of initial fuel of aircraft to that of final weight of aircraft. B. Ratio of final fuel of aircraft to that of initial weight of aircraft. C. Ratio of initial weight of aircraft to that of final weight of aircraft. D. Ratio of final weight of aircraft to that of initial weight of aircraft. The correct answer is ratio of initial weight of aircraft to that of final weight of aircraft. There are two fuel flow laws. They are ICC1 here specific fuel consumption is constant to CC3C4M here it considers temperature and effects of Mach number. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is false. The second fuel flow law is used in the turbojet or turbofan. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. The system of forces acting on the aircraft are propulsive forces, aerodynamic forces, gravitational forces, and these result in inertial forces. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true.